Hello and welcome to another lecture of Shopify Dropshipping Store Development Beginners to Expert series. So here we are adding another section on our front page of our Shopify Dropshipping Store that is called Collection List. So you have to click on Add section, click on Collection List. You will see your collections like this here, and here you can give the heading to your collections, and then you can make these settings if you want. You can enable swipe on mobile. You can also enable view all button, and then you can in the collections select some collections that you want to show on your store. So keep in mind that you should have the collection images relevant to your store inside the collections like this. If you don't have proper images selected for your collection, just click on it, save, and then going back into your collection from here in the products, in collections, just go to your that collection and change the feature image for that collection. You will see the image here of your that collection that you're gonna show. So we'll be looking back into our store that which collection has other than image. So this was jewelry box. You see in the jewelry box you have to change the product. It is picking the first product image, so you can remove it. This is a demo product, or you can add images here directly, so it will be showing there. So inside the theme customizer, where you have selected the collection list, go to there, and from there you see now we have changed the image of first product of our collection, and now it's showing the image relevant to our collection. So here was the video on how to add collection list. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.